This video explains how to buy shares of UTime Ltd. UTime Ltd. is a technology firm focused on precision timekeeping and wearable devices, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WTO. This is educational content only and not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registration, you must verify your account, typically with the government ID, and add funds to be able to purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WTO to locate UTime Ltd. Make sure to select the NASDAQ listing so you choose the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows UTime Ltd. with ticker WTO before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next opening, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade executes, your UTime position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For the example, linked to eToro, see the description below.